Hey guys, so Ulefone has quietly unveiled the Ulefone Note 17 Pro. This device is, I believe, Ulefone's first curved display smartphone. The device has a really nice, elegant and luxurious design, and I think the device is meant to compete with the likes of the Blackview A200 Pro and many other mid-range smartphones out there. So in this video, we'll explore the top features and specs of the upcoming Ulefone Note 17 Pro. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. So this device, like I mentioned earlier, has an elegant and luxurious design, and according to Ulefone, the device features an anti-glare etching technique and anti-fingerprint, which helps reduce fingerprint smudges. The device is curved on the front and back, providing a comfortable and delightful grip. The device is offered in amber orange, pearl white, and velvet black colorways. The phone also features a 6.78-inch 120Hz AMOLED curved display. The display is protected by the Gorilla Glass 5. Also, the device features an in-display fingerprint sensor. The phone is powered by the Helio G99 paired with 12GB RAM with 12GB virtual RAM expansion support and 256GB UFS 2.2 internal storage. At the back of the phone is a camera module that houses two cameras and an LED flash, and they consist of a 108MP primary camera, which is a Samsung HM2 sensor, and a 5MP micro lens. The hole punch houses a 32MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. The camera is capable of recording up to 2K videos at 30fps, and it has different features including AI scene recognition, portrait mode, HDR mode, and night mode. The device packs a 5050 mAh battery, that's 5050 mAh battery, and according to Ulefone, the device standby time is 450 hours, the talk time is 22 hours, and the video playback is about 9 hours. The device also supports 33 watts fast charging, which is very impressive. Other features of the device includes IR Blaster, NFC, OTG, Face Unlock. It's shipped with the Android 13 and it's the stock version of Android 13, so you'll be getting a clean UI and consistent security updates. The device also supports 4G connectivity, dual band Wi-Fi, and it has navigation features like GPS and the others. The device is also said to be splash proof, and it comes with a free TPU case. So these are some of the top features of the Ulefone Note 17 Pro. As you can see, it's a really nice, beautiful smartphone with impressive specifications and features. I currently do not know its official price, and regarding its release date, it is expected to be released in February. Anyway, what are your thoughts about the Note 17 Pro? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.